Hey guys, Steve here, Triton Tech Support. Today we're going to look at changing this OG orange shield to our brand new clear see-through shield. So it's a 4-step process. The first thing you want to do is remove the 2 screws from the left side, 2 screws from the right side. Then we'll go move over to the other side, pull these 2 out. And now this Allen key is supplied with extra screws. I'm going to take this orange OG shield off, put on the brand new clear shield. And now I'm sure most of you have put together furniture before. You want to make sure that your holes are lined up before you tighten everything down. You don't want to tighten one screw down and have to compensate for that later. So I recommend starting 1 or 2 turns per screw, leave it a little loose, and then tighten everything down afterwards. It should be noted that these arms are independent of each other, so there's a specific spot that they need to go into. Now we can tighten everything down. So this is our freshly installed clear shield. As you can see, you can have a beautiful view of your key cutting process. And just a little point of note, it does come with the original stickers that you can put on there if you so choose. They go right there just as they're on the original.